priority when it's music.
Okay guys, so a couple days ago I took the intake manifold off. I got the old crankcase vent tube removed. Now I just got the new crankcase vent tube. It just came in the mail today, so I'm gonna pop it back in real quick, get this intake manifold buttoned up, and get the engine bay all buttoned up. Okay guys, we got the engine bay all put back together. I also wiped it all down, got it looking good, looking sexy. You know how it is. I fixed up everything in the engine bay. So I put in the new crankcase ventilation tube so the car idles fine now. I put the new O-ring and the new oil filter, all that stuff in there. Added a little bit of oil just to compensate for the stuff that leaked out. I don't know what these people were doing or what kind of mechanic these people were taking it to before. But, I mean, them mechanics were lazy, man. Hella lazy. I don't know what they were doing, man. They didn't replace the O-rings ever, man. They only replaced the filter. She took the old one out, shoved the new one in. This stuff, if you don't replace the O-rings on there, it's going to lead to low oil pressure. And that's why the valves make a lot of noise and stuff like that. But anyway, I got everything, you know, all wiped down and stuff. Let me show you, let me run this thing real quick. Starts up right away. Boom. I don't even need to have my foot on the gas, man. It's all looking good. And of course, I got the dash lit up like a Christmas tree, man. Yo, that fan, I ain't never heard the fan kick on before. At first I thought the engine was running away on me, but I'm like, what the hell is a BMW running away on me for? So, yeah, I'm sure it was just the fan. I don't know why the fan is loud as hell, but I might look at that. It might even be quieter when the hood is closed and stuff like that, and the whole front end is all buttoned up. Yeah, that fan is loud as hell. Well, we got a pretty bad situation with the truck. I had to run back to the place and get my jump pack. Both front tires are flat. Yeah, this truck's out here looking like a piece of crap. Well, I'm gonna have to use somebody else's car because the battery in this thing is flat dead. It's not even gonna start. Barely even turns over, so That truck's gonna be sitting there for a short minute until I get a new battery. Damn! Soda fit. Soda fit. Alright, let's go get our stuff. Got all my parts right there. About to head out to my car right after I pay for all this stuff. Well, it's getting dark outside now, and thank Christ I finally was able to shove this hood inside the car. Man, I mean, I tried putting it in with this box right here. It did not fit. Thank God I was able to come in, because I was not about to drive all the way back up here just so I can get the hood again. So, took the hood out of the box. Hopefully it doesn't dent. I probably should have put the hood in upside down, but it's all right. Okay, your boy came in clutch with the parts last night. We got him back over here. So finally, it's time for the disassembly of the front end so we can test fit all the new parts we got. Okay, so we got this thing all pretty much disassembled. So yeah, so we obviously have no frame damage. I don't know if I said that before when I got this car, but we obviously got no frame damage. I mean, it's just everything was all superficial. As far as the plugs good here. This plug right here is broken. I'm not gonna replace it. Hopefully it just stays in. If it doesn't stay in, I'm gonna put some tape around it, wrap it around the headlight, and it's gonna have to stay in. As far as down here, we got some little things going on down there. Again, I'm not gonna fix that. This car has a clean title. My state has no inspection, so I don't fix cars properly anyway. As long as if there's like little cracks here and there, I don't care. As long as it's all functional, it's fine. I just gotta finish up removing all this old bumper cover stuff and the little chrome and the emblem and all that stuff off. Finally got everything removed from the bumper cover, everything from the hood, including the emblem. I got all the stuff on the opposite side as well. Every single gasket, everything like that. Hood, hinges, pins, everything. So what are we looking at the front end? We're gonna be looking at, so I was looking at this side. Uh-oh, nothing's there. A lot of what's here is not here. Obviously, I need a new inner fender liner. I already got that in the mail. eBay special. This thing is broken, but I'm not gonna replace. I would have to replace this entire thing. I'm not doing that. I need a new headlight bracket right there to hold the headlight, because right now I took it off and there was barely anything left of the old one, so need a new one of that. Y'all know me. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Even if it's broke, you can still use it. If it's not usable, then you gotta replace it. Damn. I also need this new air duct. This thing right here that brings the air from up there back there to the wheel. Probably just cools off the brakes or something. I just know it's not here, so I gotta go back to the junkyard, man. This shit shucks, man. Okay, before we start the test fit, I just want to tell y'all I put the inner fender liner, the front inner fender liner on this side. The eBay special, I had to stretch it pretty hard in some places just to make it fit, but You know, it is eBay. It is from China. It cost me $27, so I can't complain too much. So at least it looks somewhat similar on both sides. Okay guys, we finished lining everything up. I'm gonna start out with the other side because that side is a whole nother story, but yeah, so we finished lining everything up. Everything's looking good pretty much. I got 2 new headlights, the hood, the front bumper cover. As I said before, we got no frame damage. We ain't had no frame damage or nothing, so I wasn't really worried about body lines and stuff. I just wanted to test fit everything, make sure everything fit right, because this is all aftermarket parts, you know. They are CAPA approved, but they're aftermarket parts. So of course you see here we got good body line here. We got a headlight. I didn't even really bolt the headlights in. I mean, you can see right here the headlight's not even bolted in. You know, I still got the plastic and stuff off. Got the front bumper cover on. I really like the look of this thing so far, man. Now, when we come over here, excuse the nonsense going on over here. I mean, I barely bolted anything in. I mean, you can see if I lift up this hood, that front fender bolt right there is not even bolted in, so that's why this body line looks like it's a little bit off. It all just needs to be adjusted. Trust me, the body lines are all fine. Again, same thing right here. I barely had anything to bolt the headlight to, which is why it's jiggling around like that, jiggling like a fat booty. You know what I'm saying? This is what we got to work with, man. Look at that. Look at that. Get the other side. This thing's looking sexy, man.